That is how you are on with and also lived with.
Mahesh, let me tell you my experience. There is a person called Umi Vijayan whom I met. I have his contact, I spoke to him for a long time. He made his content 2 years ago. He struggled a lot. He didn't find a distributor. He didn't find an exhibitor. Eventually, he actually released his movie last month. Forget about success and failure. It's a good quality content and it is in English. It is not a Hollywood movie. It is not an Indian movie made in English. He managed to make the movie out of great difficulties again, with his friends and crowdfunding and all those things. He couldn't release it in theaters. He couldn't find the distribution channel and the exhibition channel. There is a group called Directors Rare. He identified the person. I have the contact of him also.
The
I tell you,
PVR guys,
yeah, the PVR guys. Yeah, you know, I'm talking about him. Let me tell you. He is able to release his content. That's what matters to me. There are a lot of cans lying in the Prasad Labs. There are a lot of cans lying in.
See, lot of cans are lying because they made shitty films.
No, at
Let's
least one or
understand
two
this.
will be good out of them.
Not even one or two, take it from me. So, like, that is not our concern.
We are not here to
I
judge
don't
people.
step into Prasad
Like,
Labs, I
whoever-
don't step into...
We don't have to. We don't have to.
I am
If
a
people come to
independent
us,
filmmaker,
if
I
people
want to make a film here.
no, if people come to us saying that this is what I have and how do I do it, we
No,
are
that's
here
not
to-
our
we are-
concern, what I am saying is.
No,
see,
that's one of
if
the
a mainstream producer produced a film, like spending a crore and like now he's stuck, is not my concern. For
I'm
me-
not talking about
For
regular.
me,
He is not.
this guy wants to
He's
make
not a film background guy.
No, but he made a film, right?
Right.
In a mainstream way.
It's not a mainstream content. It's not a regular
I
content.
mean, content, let's leave it. Mainstream way of making a film. He had his office, he had a DOP, he paid, he went to producer council, registered himself as a producer, production.
So what? Involved all the unions. So what?
Then if that is the case, every film should be our concern.
I'm not here to change the industry. I'm not here to
No, thing is,
here to lift the
what
industry
I am
from the
saying
crisis.
is, we are a collective of, say, 100 filmmakers who are right now trying to make our own short films and also have a content that is that can be made into a feature film.
Okay,
Our
Mahesh,
struggle is
can you get
to make
me?
short films.
Mahesh, can you get me 10 good content, short films which makes of a duration of a feature film, which is not on YouTube, which is not anywhere? Can
Why
you get
should
any
not?
content?
Why it shouldn't be on YouTube? No, I don't understand. Then again,
What is the point? When it is already there, who will watch?
Independent cinema is about freedom.
See, don't. And first of all, I'll tell you,
It is not
If
about
it is
copyright.
already
it
there
is
in
not-
YouTube and coming again here screening the same thing, what is the point?
Then the
I go sit
then
at
the
home,
proposal should be
in split AC
then the
and watch it
proposal-
on a
then
laptop, right?
Then the proposal should be okay. Identify 10 filmmakers.
Exactly.
Identify 10
That is the
filmmakers
point.
and now make those 5 films.
That is the idea.
but with 10,
Existing వచ్చి
For example, I'm
I just wanted to say something. See, it's okay. So what I'm saying is, instead of this, why don't you look something like a kind of a judging community? You've got a lot of.
we need to have mentors. That's what is there on the
I'm not
model.
talking about mentor. See, you guys are experts in your own fields, right? In terms of filmmaking, whatever it is, doesn't matter. So why don't you brand a platform like, if you say what is Lamakan, it's a kind of a coffee shop kind of an open forum, right? I'm saying you get everybody involved into whoever is a short film maker, get them onboarded onto that some kind of a hear me out, on some kind of a award kind of a event, wherein people send in their nominations of their, whether you put it on YouTube or where you cannot stop people from putting in YouTube. Put them up, have them judged in various rounds, elimination rounds, while they are while they are trying to promote the picture on, so their movie onto your event, take some participation amount in this. You're getting what enrollment amount.
Last April 8th and 9th, there is
So
a
don't
festival
commit
which
them
happened.
saying that
No, no.
I will put it to short film
Let me
festivals.
tell you,
I'll put it
let me
to
tell you my experience. Rolling Frames Film Festival, one of my friends has done it, and he wanted me to be the organizing committee member, and I also helped him, and we did a film festival, which is a huge success. Now he's directing a film, that's a different story. Rolling Frames Film Festival, summit, it happened. It has exhibition, it's got workshop, it's got a screening for 2 days. It's a huge success. Again, from different people and the branding from different agencies. Chalana Chitra and companies, I have all the things. Kannada Chalana Chitra is one. Corporate sponsor, I don't remember. I think Cine, something, South Scope Land.
State funding too.
Yeah, there was funding. We'll identify that. I'll also do a similar short film festival here. I will have an exhibition here, I have a seminar here.
You are somehow